I'm Bruce Marshall. This is the Brampton Now update for the week ending the January 23rd, 24th weekend 2021. Coming up, vaccine rollout is on the mind of the mayor, as too are paid sick days for everyone as a matter of public policy. The Chief Medical Officer of Health is full of thanks this week as well. Details on that and more coming up on this Brampton Now update. Here's what's happening in Brampton. Dr. Lawrence Lowe, Chief Medical Officer for Peel Region.
This next week is crucial in our battle against COVID-19, and we will finally see if the holiday surge is ending and if the measures in place will hopefully start to drive transmission down.
Mayor Brown has a bone to pick with the Premier on the issue of vaccine rollout.
The supply that Ontario does get goes to the areas facing the toughest challenges with COVID-19, and there needs to be some relevancy in terms of the per capita rollout. And I would note, so far in the rollout, we've looked at regions like Ottawa receive more vaccines than Peel Region, and one of the challenges that this presents is one, there's more people in Peel Region with almost 1.6 million individuals. There's more people in ICU, more people hospitalized, and a higher positivity rate.
Mayor Brown, along with Mississauga's Crombie and a host of others, also advocating for sick time as a matter of health policy in Labour legislation.
My colleagues with the GTHA mayors and Ontario big city mayors continue to advocate for paid sick days. There is a significant gaps with the Canadian Recovery Sickness Benefit. It takes sometimes 3 to 4 months, and the benefit is less than minimum wage.
In a moment, skating, or how about tobogganing? Can you do that in Brampton? Mayor Brown on that next on the Brampton Now update.
We have a story to tell. It's an opportunity for us to share our culture, about who we really are.
Everybody in the world has an Aboriginal past, but they're so far removed from it from thousands of years of separation.
It is a great responsibility, I believe, to present my culture in the most honest and historically accurate way possible, because I might be the only one that they ever meet.
They need to leave and to say, without them, we would not know Canada as it is today.
They want to beat the drum, they want to dance the dance and feel it in the heart and be able to remember it forever, because once you hear the beat of the drum, you'll never forget it.
This is the Brampton Now update. I'm Bruce Marshall. Can you go skating or tobogganing in Brampton? There's been some confusion over that. Mayor Brown.
And our Winter Wonderland plan, which we launched earlier this year, was supported by Peel Public Health. We are basing our decisions on what amenities to offer by working with public health, by looking at the science and the data. And I certainly believe that shutting down these amenities is an overreaction and not fair to our residents. They're already facing significant challenges because of the lockdowns.
Here's where to get details.
So we've actually opened 4 new outdoor artificial ice rinks in the city of Brampton to give our residents more opportunities for safe outdoor activities. And if you're interested in using one of our rinks or one of our outdoor amenities, you can always go to brampton.ca, Winter Wonderland, to see all the options that exist.
And Brown says that those trails and other amenities will receive winter maintenance this year for those who are using them. In a moment, Dr. Lawrence Lowe has been the voice of caution. But at the press conference this week, Dr. Lowe was also the voice of thanks to Brampton. That next on the Brampton Now update.
Is going to a party really worth it? Putting yourself at risk puts everyone at risk. Help limit the spread of COVID-19.
The COVID-19 pandemic in Canada is serious. We must continue to practice all public health measures. Follow local guidelines for gatherings. Maintain physical distancing. Wash your hands, wear a mask, and download the COVID Alert app. If you have symptoms, even mild ones, stay home. Protect yourself and others. We've come too far to stop now.
A message from the Government of Canada.
I'm Bruce Marshall. This is the Brampton Now Update. So we've got these precautions and protocols in place. Are they working? Peel's Dr. Lawrence Lowe.
Your sacrifices are making a difference. You are saving lives. You are helping our hospitals continue their miraculous efforts to battle this disease, even as the situation there remains precarious. And you are also protecting our essential workers.
And Dr. Lowe with details on vaccine administration.
This past weekend, we saw a milestone: the completion of first dose immunizations for all consenting long-term care and high-risk retirement home residents in our region. This is good news and a step in the right direction. As we work with our hospital partners through the announced delays of the Pfizer vaccine, clear prioritization of who in Peel gets vaccine and when they get it is vitally important. And let me be clear. While all of us, especially in public health, want to start immunizing widely and quickly, we have only just enough supply for provincially identified high-risk populations at this time. For the next few months, there unfortunately won't be vaccine enough for everyone at the same time, so we will continue to direct limited supplies to vaccinate our most vulnerable and those that care for them.
So for the rest of us, it will still be some weeks before we know anything about when we will see the vaccine. Till then, the precautions and protocols are largely working and need to continue. Dr. Lawrence Lowe.
And all of us must continue to stay the course, stay home, self-isolate if sick, and support our most vulnerable. Patience is our weapon, and we will get through this together.
And that's the Brampton Now Update for this week. Please subscribe to the Brampton Now Update channel on YouTube or follow #MarshallMinute on Facebook for lots of Brampton need to know that you won't find anywhere else. Your comments and suggestions are always welcome, and if you've got a Brampton story to tell, get in touch with me through the channel you're watching on right now. Stay strong, Brampton. Brampton strong. We're all in this together. I'm Bruce Marshall. Thanks for watching Brampton Now Update.
Quiet, numbskulls, I'm broadcasting.